Before the video starts, why not check out our new tools including drills, screwdrivers and tool bags, all available in store. Ring us on 01942 886 452 or pop in the shop to find out more. Enjoy the video.
My name's Anthony Tattersall. I'm from Middlesex originally, but I've lived up north for the last 31 years. Well, I've always been a car sprayer all my life, and then for the last 10 years I've owned a hairdresser shop, but my wife passed away 2 years ago, which I've done nothing with myself since, and I need a new career, which I decided Locksmiths could be the new career for me. So I've come and took this course on. I've learned a hell of a lot. I've learned everything I could possibly dream of learning about in this 1 week I've done. I can't believe I've learned so much. Well, my new career, I hope to be a locksmith. I don't intend to, it's not the cheapest course, but it's well worth the money if you can make a career out of it. Yes, definitely. Well, I do, and I hope I can make a success of it, because I've always made a success of everything else I've tried to do. And let's see. No, I'd just like to thank everyone here. They've done a great job. And I feel confident that if I ever need anything in the future, they'll be there to help me.